Let's see how to set up a TP-Link router as a repeater. This is my main router. Now I will use this router as a repeater. First, you need to reset your router. Now I'm resetting the router by pressing the reset button for about 15 seconds. Now go to mobile. This is my main router network. Disconnect your mobile from another Wi-Fi network. Now connect your mobile to a new router network. This is the router network name and password. Now go to the tplinkwifi.net. You need to create a password to control your router. There is a list of Wi-Fi networks in your local area. Now connect your main network to your router. Then enter your main network password. You can change your Wi-Fi extender network, or you can set the network with the same name. Now the router setup process is complete. This is your Wi-Fi repeater network. Now your Wi-Fi extender network is working.